What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a review on the new Fenty Beauty Beach Please collection. I could not wait to say that. But she launched a ton of new pieces for the summer 2018 collection, and I picked up 3 of them to share my thoughts with you guys. And when I went into Sephora, I also did swatches of everything. If you guys saw Briana in her Vogue makeup tutorial, she used all of these products. So in this launch, she didn't come out with a ton of new products, but she did come out with 3 new kilowatt highlighter duos. She came out with 2 eyeshadow duos, and she came out with 2 3-packs of lip glosses. Let's first talk about the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. That is a mouthful. I have the duo in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. These retail for $36. There were 2 other combinations that you can pick up. The other one was called Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. You guys know they come in the split pan. This one had like the very silver pewter and the minty green very icy duo, and this one is the most traditional highlighter out of all 3 of them. And then there's another one that's more purpley. It has a very metallic lavender and orchid duo, and this one is called 7-Day Weekend / Poolside. And the one that I got is the one that I see being used most on social media. This one is the one that a lot of people are using in a variety of different ways. They're using it as eyeshadow as well as on the cheeks. It's not as strongly pigmented as you probably think it is. The base color is not as prominent. I used this one as a blush, and it just gave me a really nice flush. For me, this color comes off as pretty yellow, and this color comes off as kind of pink, so it's not super intense. But I also have it on my eyes. On my eyes, it's not giving me a strong amount of pigmentation, but as per usual, the formulation of the Kilowatt Freestyle highlighters is really nice. These are actually some of my favorite products that Fenty Beauty makes because they're very smooth and they're going to give you a nice reflectiveness to them. She also released 2 new sets of lip products. I got the set in Summer Nights. She also came out with the sets called Summer Days, and at each set there are 3 different lip products. So these are called Summer Days and Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios. In the Summer Days package, you have single, bilingual, and ready to mingle. Each set of 3 retails for $32. You can use these by themselves or you can use them as toppers. I used it by itself for this video, but these on top of different colors, especially liquid lipsticks, that way you can see the true duochromeness of these products. I think these are super cool. The texture of these is really different. They feel moussey. They're not sticky at all, and I feel like the longevity of them will wear well throughout the day. This is not the same as her Gloss Bomb. I will note that this is a different formula. And lastly, we have her eye duos. These are called the Island Bling 2-in-1 Liquid Eye Shimmer, and I got the one in Teeny Keeny and Mamasita. I have it on now. These retail for $26. Again, there were 2 different variations of this product. The other one is called Summer Fling / Rainbow, and that one is a deep metallic bronze / an iridescent gold. Now, I really like the shimmer side of this eye duo. The metallic side was very patchy and hard for me to apply. It kind of balled up and separated, so I really wasn't a fan of this one. But if they sell this separately any day, I really think this is cool. I used it on the inside of my eye as well as I used it as a highlighter. I feel like the shift on this is so pretty. Like, you can't really catch all the colors that it is. It's purple, and then it's green, and then it's silver, and then in some lights it's just, I don't know, some lights is blue. Like, I feel like it's super cool. But I will note, when swatching the other eyeshadow duo, I feel like the other one was more consistently formulated. So let me know if you plan on picking up any of these products down in the description box. But with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the tutorial. That way you all can see these products in action. So enjoy. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my blender brush. This is a MAC 217 natural hair brush. I'm going to dip into Mimosa Sunrise. Taking that color, I'm going to sweep it back and forth above my crease. Oh my gosh, that's showing up so yellow on me. We're just going to apply it as a wash of color. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Sangria Sunset. Now that sounds like my kind of day. And I'm taking this purple color right here on the very outer corner. I'm going to deposit this color here and blend it over. It's building up really sheer, So you'll have to take your time to get it to be fully opaque. So I'm just going to blend it right here on the very outer corner and then blend it up onto that color that we applied into the crease. Now I'm going to go into the Island Bling cream eyeshadow, and directly with the product I'm going to take the color Mamasita on my lid. So this has a doe foot applicator, so right on the lid I'm going to tap, oh that's very pigmented. I'm going to tap this color and apply it. Once you have it applied in a general shape that you like, I'm going to take my brush and tap where that color is ending to blend it with that purple eyeshadow that's on the lid. Like it almost doesn't want to be blended. Maybe I'll try my finger trying to tap that, because with the brush it's just making it patchy. That went on a little bit patchier than I thought it was going to. It's like my eye is rejecting it. I'm going to go in with this flat shader brush again with the color Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm going to pack that on top of this base. I'm just going to pack this on and then blend it over. You see, this color layered on top of that, it gave it something to adhere to. Therefore, it's going to look more prominent versus me applying it with the blending brush, which made it like a wash. Pack that on until it's fully opaque, and then I'm going to blend it over into that purple. So that took a lot of maneuvering. I had to go over that a few times to get that to smooth out, and honestly I'm not really feeling the way that it looked. Kind of looks crumbly. The eyeshadow looks splotchy on my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the opposite side. This is the color Teeny Keeny, and I want this on my inner corner. So I'm going to apply this right here on the inner corner and then pat it with a tiny brush just to give me a highlighted effect. This side is so pretty. But now I'm going to go ahead and do my liner, mascara, and lashes, and then I'll come back and we'll finish off the lower lash line as well as the rest of the face. Continuing on with this small detailer brush, I'm going to go back with Teeny Keeny, and I'm going to rim that along the lower lash line. Apply it right here. Make sure I'm connecting it to the top. I have to be very careful with this because I do not want it to get in my eye. And again, going back with Sangria Sunrise, I'm going to take that color along the rest of the lower lash line. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Mimosa Sunrise and sweep that on my cheek area and blend it backwards. I'm going to go back with Teeny Keeny and put some on the back of my hand and with my finger. I might regret this, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to press some of this onto the high planes of my cheeks as a highlight. Oh, it's so pretty and iridescent. And I also want to try on this lip luminizer trio. This one is the Summer Nights trio. So I'm going to start off with the blue. This one is in the color Mermaid Thighs. This color looks really pretty. When and where am I wearing it to? I don't know. But I like it. It looks good even by itself, but on top of something else, I bet you it will be a straight banger. So next I'm going to try on Snake Skin for you guys. Ooh. These have a very faint smell of vanilla, and I like that. It doesn't matter how many times I go like this, it's not making it patchy. So I'm really feeling this. And again, you can wear it by itself, but this with a brown liner or like a blue lipstick under it will be everything. Next, I'm going to put on Bakerie. That's really pretty. And I also think this is the one that Briana put on in her Vogue makeup tutorial. I'm gonna layer this one up a little bit more. I think this one is the sheerest one out of all three. This one for sure I would wear as a topper. But I really like the texture of these. Plus the duochrome element to them is just so like stunning. Love it. But this is everything from the new Fenty Beach Please collection. Please let me know in the comment section if you plan on picking up any of these pieces. My favorite things from this entire launch have to be these lip toppers. I love the sets. I think that they are super cool. My least favorite thing has to be this side of the eye duo. I love this glitter, but Mamasita did give me a bit of a hard time when trying to blend it out. I like the Kilowatt products, but I don't necessarily think that this is a necessity, especially if you're not a person who wears color. This duo is going to look beautiful on deeper complexions, but if you're not a bold person in your makeup choices, this can be a bit limited. Let me know if you picked up anything else from the collection. There were other pieces, of course. You did see swatches of those. And if you like videos like these, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell notifications, and I will see you all very, very soon. Smooches! Bye!